Well, good afternoon everyone. Here's a quick one for anyone who's having trouble with their automatic windows. I'm doing it on 2006 Honda, but this should be a generic issue. So if your windows are having this problem, then hopefully you'll be able to fix it as easy as this. Just to show you what's going on, automatic down, fine, but automatic up reaches a point and then backs off. However, manual up, which is the half pull, all the way to the top. Now, some of you may have noticed there, about halfway up, it started to get stiff and slow, and that's what our problem is. Up there, you can hear it labor, just at that point about halfway up. And what that laboring is doing is causing the safety system to back off. It's sensing too much resistance, thinks there's something in the way, and backs off as a safety measure in case it's a hand or a finger or a body or something like that. So what we need to do is work out how to stop it doing that. We know our window regulator is working fine because it will go all the way to the top with the manual close. Now, one thing that has happened over the last few weeks is there's been lots and lots and lots of rain here, and so what I'm hoping is that that's just kind of gummed up the channels. And so I've got some, it says it's Windex, but it's a car detergent in a spray bottle, and we're going to spray down all the channels and see if we can make them slippery and prove a point. So we're just going to spray this all down with soap, and let's see what that does. Just as simple as a little bit of soap. Well, we've got a lot higher. So we've also got these score marks here, which suggests we've got excessive friction here against this seal as well. So we'll open up the window and lube down the seal too. And obviously when you wash the car, you wash it with the windows closed. And so the insides of these seals don't necessarily get a good clean. So let's lube that up really well. Excessive, it's just soapy water. I was just having a bit of a closer look, and look what I found. If I stick my finger in here, here's an old part of the seal, and it's completely broken and messed up. So I reckon that's not doing anything, first of all, so let's get rid of that. Ew. I reckon it was moving and applying too much pressure. Let's see if that's it. Hey, all the way to the top. So it just goes to show there's so many parts on the vehicle that need some kind of maintenance that get forgotten. Even your windows tracks, your window seals all need cleaning and maintaining. So we're going to go through and give all of this a really good clean, and then we'll spray it down with some lube, clean the glass, and it should be good to go for a while. Getting our cloth right down inside the window channel. That looks pretty good. And then I'm actually going to use a dry lube stick on this rubber. It'll condition the rubber because it's meant for belts and rubbers, and it won't come off on the window as much. It'll come off a little bit at the beginning, but then it should be all right. So we're just going to dry lube that rubber seal, just like that. Just pressuring that right against the inner edge of the outside seal, but mainly up this end is where we want to be. There we go. That should help condition our seal a bit. Give that a wipe it down again. And that will have some residue, but we'll give it a few runs and then we'll clean the glass and we should be good. Up she goes. No resistance at all. That's great. I'll do this a few times, you don't need to watch. And now that we've done that, we'll just give the gas a good final clean. So there you go. Don't forget to maintain your windows, something that's easy to overlook in your general maintenance. And if you come across a window that is backing off, that's not when it won't go all the way to the top. That could be a regulator issue or an automatic window calibration issue, but this is when it can go all the way to the top, but it won't. It'll go up to a certain point and then back off, which is when the obstruction sensor is kicking in. So it could easily just be some sticky windows. So get in there, clean your window channels and your rubbers and your seals, make sure everything's well maintained, and you shouldn't have any problems. And a fully functional automatic window. See you on the next one.